Imagine swapping a traditional house's wooden beams and brick walls for something more unique, spacious, and flexible. Welcome to the world of barndominiums, a blend of barn and condominium. These structures are gaining traction as an innovative housing option that promises affordability, energy efficiency, and a customizable living space. As we explore the rising popularity of barndominiums, let's dive into why they might just be the dream home you never knew you needed. The concept of barndominiums began as a practical solution for housing in rural areas, but has since evolved into a trendy residential choice among all demographics. Their adaptable nature not only caters to traditional homeowners, but also to those seeking a modern twist on home living. Whether you are a first-time homebuyer or looking to downsize, the allure of a barndominium might catch your eye. Barndominiums offer a unique aesthetic that stands out from conventional homes. With their high ceilings and wide-open spaces, they provide a canvas for personal expression and creativity in home design. This introduction sets the stage to explore deeper into the cost-effectiveness, energy-saving features, and low-maintenance lifestyle that barndominiums offer, which we will discuss in the following sections. Barndominiums started as pragmatic, simplistic structures primarily used for agricultural purposes. However, their appeal has expanded as more people discover their versatility. Originally designed to house livestock and grain, these buildings have been transformed into luxurious living spaces that combine the rustic charm of a barn with modern living amenities. The transformation of barndominiums from basic farm storage to stylish homes has been driven by their affordability and the growing desire for personalized living spaces. As people seek alternatives to traditional and often more expensive housing options, barndominiums present an intriguing solution. This shift reflects a broader trend towards more sustainable and adaptable home designs. Moreover, the architectural flexibility of barndominiums allows owners to design their homes from the ground up. Whether it's adding large glass windows to welcome natural light or incorporating eco-friendly materials, these homes can be tailored to meet the specific needs and tastes of their inhabitants. This adaptability is attracting a diverse group of buyers, from young couples to retirees, all looking for a home that can evolve with their lifestyles. One of the most compelling reasons to consider a barndominium is its cost-effectiveness. Typically, the construction of a barndominium can be significantly cheaper than that of a traditional home. This is largely due to the use of prefabricated metal buildings as the basic structure, which not only reduces material costs, but also labor expenses. The speed of construction with barndominiums is another factor that drives down costs. Unlike traditional homes, which might take months or even years to complete, a barndominium can be erected in a matter of weeks. This rapid assembly helps reduce labor costs and can significantly cut down on the overall stress and inconvenience of the building process. Furthermore, the cost savings continue even after construction. The structural integrity of steel, which is commonly used in barndominiums, ensures durability and longevity, which translates into lower maintenance costs over time. This makes barndominiums not only an affordable initial investment, but also a cost-effective choice in the long run. Barndominiums are not just affordable, they are also incredibly energy efficient. The use of metal in their construction leads to better insulation properties compared to traditional building materials. This means that maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature requires less energy, which can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Additionally, the design of most barndominiums includes large windows and higher ceilings, promoting better air circulation and natural lighting. This design philosophy not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the home, but also contributes to its energy efficiency. The ability to utilize natural resources effectively reduces reliance on artificial heating and lighting, which is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Moreover, many barndominium owners choose to incorporate renewable energy sources, such as solar panels or geothermal systems, into their homes. This integration is often easier and more cost-effective due to the structural features of barndominiums. By optimizing for energy efficiency, these homes not only save money, but also help reduce the ecological footprint of their inhabitants. Living in a barndominium means embracing a lifestyle of convenience and low maintenance. The materials used in building a barndominium, primarily steel, are known for their durability and resistance to weather elements. This means less wear and tear over time, which translates into lower maintenance costs and less hassle for homeowners. The interior of a barndominium also lends itself to low maintenance. The open floor plans typical in these buildings reduce the number of walls and surfaces that collect dust, making cleaning easier and more efficient. Moreover, many barndominiums feature polished concrete floors, which are not only stylish but also extremely easy to maintain compared to carpet or wood flooring. Additionally, the customizable nature of barndominiums allows owners to design their homes in ways that minimize upkeep. From choosing materials that are both tough and aesthetically pleasing to opting for layouts that streamline day-to-day living, the emphasis is on creating a comfortable home that doesn't demand constant care and attention. The architectural flexibility of a barndominium is one of its most attractive features. These structures are essentially blank canvases, offering limitless possibilities for customization. From the floor plan to the roofing, every aspect of a barndominium can be tailored to the owner's preferences, allowing for a truly personalized living space. This level of customization is especially appealing to those who want their home to reflect their personal style and functional needs. Whether it's incorporating a home office, a workshop, or an expansive kitchen, barndominiums can accommodate a wide range of design requests. This adaptability makes them suitable for various lifestyles, from the bustling family life to the tranquil retiree existence. Moreover, the integration of indoor and outdoor living spaces is seamlessly achievable in barndominiums. Large sliding doors and covered patios can be incorporated into the design, blending the interior with the exterior. This feature is particularly desirable in scenic locales, where homeowners can enjoy uninterrupted views of their surroundings. Across the country, many have turned their barndominium dreams into reality, and their stories are a testament to the versatility and appeal of these homes. For instance, a family in Texas transformed a simple barndominium shell into a luxurious 5-bedroom home that perfectly suits their lifestyle while keeping costs low. Their story highlights the practicality and beauty that these structures can offer. Another success story comes from a retired couple in Colorado who chose a barndominium for its low maintenance and energy efficiency. Their home is equipped with solar panels and a geothermal heating system, making it nearly self-sufficient. The couple enjoys a comfortable and sustainable lifestyle with minimal environmental impact, showcasing the eco-friendly potential of barndominiums. These real-life examples reflect the growing trend of choosing barndominiums over traditional homes. They demonstrate how these structures can be transformed to meet specific needs and preferences, providing a high quality of life without the high costs associated with conventional homes. When comparing barndominiums to traditional homes, several factors stand out, particularly regarding cost, maintenance, and customization. Traditional homes, while offering aesthetic diversity, often come with higher costs for construction and upkeep. In contrast, barndominiums are generally more cost-effective and offer greater durability and lower maintenance needs. Energy efficiency is another area where barndominiums often outperform traditional homes. Thanks to their construction materials and design, barndominiums typically have better insulation and energy management capabilities. This not only reduces utility bills, but also contributes to a more sustainable living environment. Moreover, the ability to customize a barndominium is far greater than that of most traditional homes. This flexibility allows homeowners to create spaces that truly meet their needs and reflect their personal style, something that can be more challenging and expensive to achieve with conventional housing. As we've explored, barndominiums offer a unique combination of affordability, energy efficiency, and customization that makes them an attractive alternative to traditional homes. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or someone looking to redesign your living space, barndominiums provide a flexible and cost-effective solution. Consider your lifestyle needs, budget, and personal taste. If these align with the benefits of a barndominium, this might be the perfect time to explore this innovative housing option further. Could a barndominium be the dream home you've been searching for? With their growing popularity and proven advantages, it's certainly worth considering.